Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is formatting pictures. We have already discussed about few operations like basic image formatting and image adjustment. Now in this session we are going to discuss about artistic effect and style, how to apply these effects, apply a picture style and how to compress the image and how do we remove the background. Then starting with applying the artistic effect and style. First of all you need to select a picture. Let me insert the image once again. Okay, so if we talk about applying the artistic effect, you need to select the picture first of all, then you will get the format tab. Click on this and here you have the option artistic effect. Click on this and you will get a lot of options here. You can browse with the mouse and you can see how the image looks like. Select this, select artistic effect. These are the effects. It can give you the blurred images, it can give you the pencil sketch type of images. So it can add certain effects to your pictures. Many clip art images do not allow you to apply artistic effect. Generally speaking, the ones that look hand-drawn or painted, that do not work. While if you try to apply these effects on the photographs, then definitely you will get the artistic effects. So this is how you can select the picture and you can try to give some kind of artistic effect to them. Then moving forward, the other option we have is apply a picture style. For doing this, once again you need to select the picture, click on the format tab, and here is the option. This is the group picture style. Click on the drop down and you will get a lot of styles here. You can provide many picture styles. It just look like a picture, like a framed picture you can say. Different kind of frames we are trying to apply on this. So you can browse with the mouse and look for a lot of options here. Whatever suits to your presentation, you can use that. Alright. Then the next we'll discuss about compressing the pictures. You need to monitor the file size of the presentation that include the picture, because whenever you are going to send the presentation through the email, you would observe that by adding the pictures you have increased the size of the presentation. The high resolution pictures can quickly cause the presentation to become very large, which make it difficult or impossible to attach to the email. And there is one important fact that whenever we try to crop the images, the cropped area of the picture that are saved with the presentation by default, which can add to the file size. So PowerPoint can reduce the size of the compressing pictures, lowering their resolution and detecting and deleting the cropped areas. PowerPoint can reduce the file size by compressing the pictures, by lowering their resolution, and by deleting the cropped areas. So I'll show you how we can crop or how we can compress a picture. You can select the image, then click on the Format tab, and you have an option here, Compress Picture. Click on this. Now you can see that you have got a lot of options here. Compression options apply only to this picture. You can place a check mark if you want the changes to take place for this image only. Otherwise you can remove the check mark. Whatever settings you are going to perform, that would be applied to the entire presentation. The second option is delete cropped areas of the picture. Whenever we are going to crop the image, the corners, or we are going to crop it for a shape, then we want this option to be checked. You delete the cropped areas. That is definitely going to reduce the file size. Then we have some more option, target output. Screen, good for the web pages and projectors. And emails, minimize the document size for the sharing and use document resolution. So as per your requirement, you can opt for any option. If you're going to select this option, email, minimize the document size, that would going to reduce the size of the file drastically, and you would definitely attach the presentation with your email and send it across. We do have the other options, like whenever you're going to show the presentation for the web pages and the projector, then also it's going to reduce the size. But for the email option, it's going to reduce the file size drastically. You can opt for the option and then you can click on OK. This is how we can compress the picture size. Alright, so we have discussed about compressing the pictures. Next we'll discuss about removing background of the images. Okay, select the picture. Removing the background from an image can give the image a cleaner appearance and will allow the slide background or the other object to show through. If you are printing a presentation, it can also save the ink because the background is not available. And with the background, and if you talk about the background removal, PowerPoint uses special algorithms to determine which part of the image are the background and then remove those areas from the images. I'll show you how do we do it. How do we remove the background from the image? You need to select the image first of all, then click on the Format tab. Here you will get the option Remove Background on the extremely left side. Click on this option. Now this is how the image looks like now. PowerPoint will try to guess which part of the image is a background, and it will mark that area with a magenta fill. It will also place a box around the image with the selection handles. These are the selection handles. You can drag the selection handles until all the foreground is inside the box. PowerPoint may readjust the background. If you try to reduce it like this or increase it, sometimes you may feel that the background is getting changed. Yeah, you have seen that now. This area is not magenta now. So if we are going to crop the image, so what will happen? Only the outer area, the magenta area, is going to be removed, not this one. So with the help of these markers, you can try to adjust the area that you really want to remove. So by dragging the selection handles, you can try to fix the background areas. You can try to adjust the background area, and you can help the PowerPoint to detect which area is the background. If PowerPoint has marked part of the foreground magenta, click Mark Area to keep and draw a line in the region of the image. So by selecting the background, now you can click on keep changes. You click on that and you can see that the background has gone. We have only got 3 penguins. There's no background in the image. I'll tell you about 2 more important points. Select this image. I want to describe about 2 more important points. One is the mark area to keep and mark area to remove. Now for example, this is the area. This is the area of the background, but we want to remove it. So what you will do, you'll select the option mark area to remove. This is the option, mark area to remove. Click on this and you will start drawing the line. You'll provide an outline to the PowerPoint that this is the area marked to be removed. Now in the same way, select mark area to remove. And mark the area to be removed. And once you are going to click on keep changes, it has removed the area that we have marked. By drawing the fine lines, you can describe that this particular area is also need to be removed. So suppose if you have a picture in which you want to remove the background, select it, click on remove background, it give you the magenta area. So that would be clear that this particular area is going to be removed. And if you want to keep a particular area which is not a part of your background, but PowerPoint is trying to understand that this is also background and has marked it as magenta, you can keep that portion as well. For example, this particular area is magenta. If we want, we can keep the area as well, like mark area to keep. Click on this. So this is the area that we want to keep. So by drawing the line, you can define to the PowerPoint that this is the area that we want to keep. Once you are going to click on keep changes, it show you the image where the part is it's showing you the background. So in this way, by making your own adjustments also, you can change the area. You can define to the PowerPoint that this is the foreground and this is the background. So that's it. In this way, you can remove the background, or you can remove the background from the images. So in this session we have discussed about the artistic effect and style, that how to apply the artistic effect, how to apply the picture style. Click on the format tab, select the picture, click on the format tab, and here is the artistic effect, which show you a different kind of picture, the blurred images, the pencil sketch type of images. And here is the picture styles, which give you different kind of frames and different angles to your images. Then next we have discussed about compressing the picture, that how do we compress the picture, what are the all options we have to reduce the file size, and then we have discussed about removing the background from the images. So that was it. That was about formatting pictures. We have learned the advanced features also, that how do we format the images. So that was it for today's session. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.